Streaming in VR is already challenging, so today I'm going to start you off with the must-have accessories that you'll need for your Quest 3 streaming setup. I'll guide you through some accessories for starting off your VR streaming career, plus I have proven timestamps below if you already know what that item is. But other than that, let's get started. So first, you'll need a USB link cable with a side charger port because the Quest 3 dies pretty fast. This powerful cable will ensure your headset staying charged during your long streams. Next is this alkaline charger block. I don't know if I said that right. By the way, guys, I'm dyslexic as hell, so if I say something wrong, don't cook me in the comments. But this specific block keeps your headset charged. Unlike other blocks, I highly recommend this one, especially with this cable if you purchase it. Next is going to be the KIWI design silent VR cables. These pulley cables prevent cords from tangling up around your legs. I recently just got them and they feel amazing. Next is going to be a USB foot switch. It's for gamers who use Discord. A foot pedal is a big game changer. It allows you to mute your mic and deafen your mic without leaving your VR headset. Now let's talk about some apps that you can use to see your chat in VR. I get this question asked a lot during my live streams. By the way, I'm live every day except for Monday on Twitch and TikTok. The app is called Live. It is a free app on Steam that you can use to see a live viewer count and position your chat window wherever you like, in the air, on your arm, and below you. If you want a more advanced setup, try OVR Kit, and it offers a lot of cool features like playing music, displaying anything on your arm, and more. For an added boost, use Lumia and OVR Kit. Lumia lets you see your TikTok and Twitch chat at the same time. And you can add HFX memes and cool effects directly into your headset. This is a game changer for keeping your chat engaged. Don't forget to use my affiliate links down below in the descriptions. It helps the channel out a lot. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to write a comment down below if you need any help with any of the things I suggested. I'll respond to your comment with a YouTube short. And if you like VR games like Ghost of Tabor, you should check this video out where I had to betray my teammate. But other than that, peace.